If you have filed for a petition with USCIS and it's taking a long time, the last thing you should do is just sit on your hands and wait. A lot of times what we do instead is we sue the government to make them do their job. Hi, I'm attorney Hillary Walsh. I'm the founder at New Frontier Immigration Law, and I've sued the government a lot of times in my career, which is always kind of funny because my husband was in the Air Force for 20 years and worked for the government, and so now I'm suing the same government. But one way or the other, we gotta get things done for our clients, and sometimes without that lawsuit, the government would have sat on your case or someone else's case for a very long time. So here's how this works. USCIS publishes a certain amount of time that it's expected to take to process your case. Let's say it's 24 months. As soon as it hits the 25th month, we are able to file a lawsuit and say, this is taking too long. This is outside your normal processing times. You have been delegated with the responsibility by Congress to adjudicate petitions, and you have failed to do so in the amount of time that you yourself has said is the normal amount of time, and therefore we're filing the suit to ask the court to mandate that you make a decision on this case in the next 60 days. The government has 60 days to respond. What this oftentimes does is prompt very quickly a decision on your case from USCIS. This is fantastic, especially if you are facing removal proceedings or potentially one of your kids is you were going to age out or your kid is going to age out and you really are under a lot of pressure to get things done. Especially in this environment, I recommend not sitting on your rights and making USCIS do its job in a reasonable amount of time, the amount of time it says is reasonable, in fact. And if they don't do it, we need to sue to get them to do their job. Please reach out to me if you need any help. I'm attorney Hillary at New Frontier Immigration Law.